So in this video, we're going to be introduced to negation with verbs. We did practice negation with nouns. So when you say I am not is less to. So the negation less to. I am not a student or I am not a teacher. Less to طالب, because we're using a noun. Less to طالب. So this one is negation. Negation, we call it nafi. 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 And nafi takes two forms. We have nafi with nouns, and we also have nafi with verbs when we say I don't. And we practice the word drink. I don't drink. I don't would be only la, and la does not take any conjugation. La ashrab. La ashrab. To give you more examples is this. For example, we say I drink is ashrab. Or aktub, I write. Or askun, I live. Uhib, I love. So we have these four verbs, which is uhib, uhib, ashrab, aktub, askun. And again, we have I, and I, and it's part of the verb. So uhib is I love, ashrab, I drink, aktub, I write, and askun. If I want to say I don't like and I don't drink and I don't write or I don't live, here goes. La uhib. La uhib. La ashrab. And you would add your object. La uhib الشاي. La ashrab الشاي. La aktub. I don't write. La aktub. La askun. I don't live. La askun. So the negation would be la for all. You masculine, you feminine, he and she. They would all take la before. All you have to remember is that the verb needs to have the indication of who is the speaker. Is it you, or is it you feminine, or he or she? So this will be the only practice you have to apply when you conjugate verbs and then you want to answer the question with a negation plus a verb. Shukran. Thank you. That was a quick one.